Hey, Farmer Craig, where are you?
I'm in the full Circle Compost test garden. Every year we test our soils. Look at these sunflowers. Does it work? Look at this basil. Oh my gosh, an old water trough. Tomatoes. We let wildflowers grow, so we have sunflowers. This is garlic chives right here. Oh man, they are so good. Here's tomatillos, strawberries, more tomatoes. Look at this. This is an Italian squash. Whoa, is that cool or what? And then come around over here. Look at cabbage. Cabbage. It's starting to make a big head of cabbage. Tomatillos over
Are these
here.
free-range tomatoes just running amok?
Yeah, free-range tomatoes. We didn't get these caged, so we're going to see how they do caged versus not caged. There's 6 plants there. It's crazy. Look at these melons right here. Melons,
What's there?
Potatoes. You can dig down and steal potatoes. We call it noodling for potatoes.
Whoa, there's a
that's
potato.
Russet potato.
Yeah.
How cool is
What
that?
else is over here?
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to set this down. So look at this onion right here. Look at this thing. Oh, look at that.
Whoa.
Whoa. So now look at our food that we have to eat. You can even eat some of these pods. That's a giant radish. You can eat the radish pod and there's seeds in there. Look over here. Another one of those big Italian squash. Look right here. Oh my gosh, right here. We can make pickles because here's a cucumber. Down here, look at this. Oh, another zucchini. Whoa! That is so cool. We have all kinds of tomatoes. Look at these. Down here's a yellow one. This one is called Taxi. That's a yellow tomato. Over here, we have a striped one. Look at how pretty this one is. Oh my gosh, is that pretty? This is called chocolate stripes. Over here is one of the best tasting tomatoes that we have. This one's called, right here, look at that. Black Crim. Oh, baby. Come on over here. Look at this. This is amaranth, and it's edible. You can eat the leaves. Oh, yum. Look over here. All these tomatoes. This one. Look at them in here. There's tons of them, and they're ready to make salsa tonight. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And then over here we have more amaranth, and over here, look at the back side of these cucumbers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna make pickles. It's so awesome. Look at this.